Hello, my name is Nelson Delgado. I'm a certified emotion code and body code practitioner, which is a form of energy psychology. And also I integrate divination systems to help realign and empower you, to help you understand where you'll find resistance and flow in your life so you can move forward with more contentment and joy each day. In this emotional intelligence video, I'll be talking about hatred. And with hatred, oftentimes I would probably, like Carl McLaren calls it, the profound mirror. And the gifts that hatred bring are intense awareness, piercing vision, and sudden evolution to instigate shadow work. And what I mean by shadow work is what elements of or patterns that have been built up over time that it would interfere with your ability to see the truth, gain perspective, and keep an open mind on things, and hopefully forgive and see the greater purpose in it. And when you're going through that, you want to see what's fallen into your shadow, and you also want to know what you have to reintegrate back in. So what's fallen into your shadow and what needs to be reintegrated. So whether you're raised in a home where there was some prejudice, or maybe religious bias, cultural biases, and there's a deep karmic history of conflict between the culture you grew up in and another, it's important for us to reassess whether maintaining this loop, this pattern, brings you or anyone that you're involved with, where there is conflict, questions that are necessary to address to find out, is the basis to this hatred valid? What graces do I need to embody in order for me to become more realigned with my true self, so that I can discern whether hatred in general is valid as an emotion to express after I've done healing and after I've reassessed the reality of things, and whether or not you were conditioned to hate, or whether in a situation in your life, an adverse experience, caused you to hate somebody. And understanding that, like in the previous videos that I've said before, that hurt people hurt other people. But those that heal from their wounds also assist in helping others to do the same, which can end the pattern of hatred moving forward. And that would liberate the self to create experiences for everyone, including yourself, that foster more understanding, respect, reverence, devotion towards peace, good counsel, making good choices on things, a higher wisdom to be integrated to provide some inspiration, so that you can ground all of these graces and have the courage to engage from a divine state, a mature and a balanced state. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share with friends if you like. I'd appreciate that. There's some further information down below, including links to connect to my website or my email. So if you ever need some healing and to resolve either inherited hatred or hatred due to those that have wronged you or harmed you, please don't hesitate to reach out, and Love to help. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.